15 years ago when I was at Ceres, early in my days here, businesses thought it was really cute that we were talking about climate change, but it wasn't really part of their real work. Today, for larger companies, it is. Climate change is a global problem. What happens in Boston impacts Rio de Janeiro, and what happens in Beijing impacts Turks and Caicos. It cannot be solved without all of us working together. I'm Mindy Lubber, and I'm the CEO of Ceres. The problems we're trying to solve are some of society's largest sustainability problems. At Ceres, we work with companies and investors and stock exchanges to make sure they're looking at the cost of addressing or not addressing climate change. We went to Paris representing hundreds of companies and investors, calling for a strong, a bold, a noble, a comprehensive Paris Agreement. We saw hundreds of businesses play a role, which they never played before. I couldn't be more honored to get an award from the United Nations, whose values I have admired my whole life. It really is emotional. It brings tears to my eyes when I think about it. The world's moving very quickly towards a new economy, towards solar, towards wind, towards electric vehicles. And companies are realizing they either start keeping up with that change or they lose money. Look at the fact that Tesla is valued at double what GM and Ford together are valued at. Environmental issues can no longer be seen as something only activists care about. Capital markets need to be integrating the cost and the opportunities from climate change into everything they do because it affects the bottom line, and of course it also affects this small thing called our humanity. Act for nature, for sustainability.